It's Jordan, the automotive real estate guy for the 1031 Doctor. And today we're going to look at a LoopNet listing for a Firestone complete auto care in Somerville, South Carolina. And we're going to go over this deal because I've sold a few of these Firestones actually. I think the last one I sold was in South Carolina a couple of years ago. Probably sold about 30 or 40 of these things over the years. I love Firestone tires, Firestone Bridgestone, run by a Japanese company, bought them many years ago. This deal is a typical one. Strong financials, obviously, great growing area in the greater Charleston metro area. South Carolina is a great state to invest in. And this one, it's a kind of a no-brainer, other than the fact, and this is what I try to expose here. This is a very long-term lease. There's 10 years on the initial term, and you got 25 years in options. And all the good sort of goes away when you see this. You got 5% increases every 5 years. So it's a 1% CPI, and that will not cover inflation. So your money is going to be buried here a long time. However, it is liquidable. These deals people jump into when they're running out of money, out of time with their exchange, and so you'll be able to sell it. But these are just, there's really no upside to them. This is where you just park money like a bond, and obviously it's going to be exchange money. You wouldn't put new capital into something like this. But decent traffic, 20,000 cars, state road, and you've got nobody special behind here. You've got a Publix back here. And I think there's about 25,000 people in a 5 mile radius. Let's see what it says. Oh, 60,000 people in a 5 mile radius. Good income, 111,000 average income. So it's a safe investment. It's just not a great investment, in my opinion. You've got a 1 acre lot. It was built during the pandemic. So you have the rents are commensurate with that. You want to try to buy deals before that were rented before the pandemic because the rents were a lot lower. And so these rents, so you got 194,000 NOI. So if that was a couple of years before, it would probably be, well, inflation really didn't start in 2020. Um, this probably would have been a little less anyways. But after the pandemic, this would have been about 220. So I hope I didn't confuse you there. But let's see. Nothing else really to report on this deal. If you're running out of time in an exchange, you can run after this one. There'll probably be some other people that are running out of time in an exchange running after this one. And I've sold a few to clients that were running out of time in an exchange and they needed one of these. And there were three other people trying to buy it. So it is liquidable. It's just not a great investment, in my opinion. But the tenant's amazing, the state's amazing, the area's amazing. You will not wind up with a vacant building, and you kind of wish you would wake up one morning and it would be vacant, so you can get some higher rents in 10 years from now. But 1% CPI just doesn't cut it for me. If you want me to take a deep dive on any property you're looking at, just give me a shout. Jordan at 1031doctor.com, or you can call me at 310-721-7375. If you're in an exchange, I'd like to help you not make mistakes like a lot of people do and jump into things you shouldn't. Please like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have a property you want me to feature on my channel, just drop me a line or send me an email, and I'd be happy to do so. And hope you have a great day.